snap-on galore. Want to do a review on that right there. That's the Milwaukee Jobsite backpack right there. Nice backpack. Finally got it out. As you can see, brand new. Had this for quite a minute, but I got like 3 lockers jam-packed, nothing full of tools. That's what I mean about when you have so many different tools, gotta have the right storage. But don't go out and buy the expensive storage if you don't have all the proper equipment. Yeah, but that's what it is. You know what I mean? Gotta get to a new storage. Start loading up some things. Got a lot of other equipment also that's not even here in this shop that I actually got locked up in the storage. But we're gonna get it right soon though. Alright? Peace.